Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, so today we're here with this 2015 Ford Fusion. And our customer's complaint is the brake light stays on constantly, even when the car is off. And when they try to accelerate, the car feels bogged down, like if it doesn't want to go. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick diagnosis on this vehicle and find out what's wrong. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, so we have our scan tool here, and we got two faults with the ABS anti-lock braking system and two faults with the BCM or body control module. So we're gonna dive in there and see what's going on. So we're just gonna read the codes. It would help if I turned it on here. So we got two codes coming up. One is for brake pedal switch A and battery voltage. So now we're gonna go back. And we're going to check on our BCM codes. I'm going to hit OK. Same thing, we're going to hit read codes. And if you guys heard the horn honks and the trunk opens. So it's kind of like a ghost car. Don't get scared. Still waiting for vehicle communication. Some vehicle communication, and there we go. So we have another code for the brake pedal switch, driver's door ajar, trunk ajar, because we have those open, the hood we have it open. So we're going to chase after this brake pedal switch code. So we're going to look at our service information for that code that popped up and start chasing after that brake pedal switch, because I have a strong feeling that's what's wrong. I don't believe anything is wrong with the computer, but let's go after the small thing first, the easiest thing first, and then work our way to the harder stuff. So let's check out that brake switch light. Okay, guys, so after we looked at some of our service information, it states that if our brake lights are on even with the car off, which they are, and I'll show you right now, our service information states if we unplug the brake switch and the light goes off, we have a bad brake switch. But if the light continues to stay on even with it unplugged, then we have a problem in our body control module. So let me show you the lights, and then let's unplug it and see what happens. So hopefully you guys can see that the brake lights are on. It's kind of sunny out here, so I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. But now let's go inside and unplug our brake switch light. Okay, guys, so that little blue thing with the harness connected to it, that's our brake switch light. So we're going to go ahead and unplug that and see what happens. So let's unplug that and see what happens. Okay, guys, so we have our brake light switch disconnected. Now let's go and see if the brake lights are off. And hopefully, if you guys can see, the brake lights are off. No more brake lights. So what does that tell us? Well, it tells us we need a new brake light switch. So simple diagnostics there. Determine that the car needs a new brake light switch. So hopefully we can sell that and see if it fixes the problem. Simple diagnostics right there. As long as you have the proper tools and information at hand, it's pretty simple, guys.
All right, guys. So we didn't show it, but we actually sold the job. So we got the new brake light switch and installed it, and we were good to go. So basically, to remove it, it's very simple. You turn the brake switch counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn, and you pull right out. And to put the new one in, you just look at the little fins and how it goes in. It's like a puzzle. Push it back in, turn it counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn, and then plug it in, and you're all set. So we didn't show that, but it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and it solved our problem. So quick little diagnosis, and we solved the problem.
So there you have it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.